We've had some very interesting times lately, what with the extremely cold temperatures, all of our equipment freezing up and not working properly, and also battling the extreme weather conditions. Hasn't been much fun either, so I'd just like to say a massive thanks to all of our customers that have done the same and put themselves out and come and bought a cake and a coffee off us.
Comes again. Doobie doobie runs all through me, feeling groovy, unbelievable again. Love as a circle that ebbs and flows. Love as a cycle.
Coombe Hill Farm Shop is situated within Grange Farm. Both the farm and the farm shop are run by Philippa and Sam Page, possibly one of the hardest working couples we know.
You go, here we go. Here it comes again.
Grange Farm is a working farm, and Philippa gave us special permission to come and film the lamb, and we were very fortunate because one of the ewes was just giving birth just as we got there.
That razzle dazzle life and hassle, no way frazzled, unbelievable again. Love as a circle that ebbs and flows. Love as a cycle that round it goes. Sometimes you're down, then up.
Taking care of the ewes and the lambs is a full-time job, day and night, and it's an ever-changing situation. And when we arrived there was a situation where a ewe had claimed a lamb that didn't belong to her. The problem with this situation is that she will then either reject her own lamb or reject the one that she's stolen off another one, and we arrived just in time to see them preparing a pen for the real mother of the lamb and separating them out because she was just about to give birth to a second lamb. And we were fortunate enough to be there with the camera to capture this event to show to you.
It goes. Sometimes you're down, then up. You go, here we go.
This one here is trying to steal it. Trying to steal it. Hello, Floss. You alright?
Can you take a picture of us?
Yeah, I am. I've taken some pictures. What do you think, Floss? Hey, what do you think? Hey?
Hit a poster, roller coaster, roller coaster, unbelievable again. Here it comes again. That razzle dazzle life and hassle, no way frazzled, unbelievable again. Love as a circle and ebbs and flows. Love as a cycle and round it goes.
Well, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. What do you think of them, Will? What do you think of the little lamp?
Here we go. And again and again and again and again and again. Here we go. And again and again and again and again and again. Here we go.
Mummy, it's a dead entrance. There wasn't
A dead entrance.
Yeah, there was a dead entrance. There
Dead
wasn't.
end. Dead end.
Dead end. What
Can't
was
have a dead
it?
entrance. Dead end.
And
Anyway, it was a dead entrance. Oh, nice pose, Will.
Yeah, very
Put your
kind.
model pose. Can you do the far away look, Will?
You little boy.
Straight out of Cage Castle on top.